Assalamu alaikum class. I hope all of you are fine. So here are the summary video. We already discussed 12.1. So today we will start from 12.2. So that is easy, and I hope you understand the last exercise 12.1. So let's talk about the new exercise that is 12.2. So draw a perpendicular bisector. So you know AB is the line segment. So from A to B, you have a line segment. So we need to draw the midpoint of the midpoint is this one in the middle of that one. So you can draw a perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector means you draw a line and make it a 90-degree angles. Okay. Perpendicular means at a right angle. Right angle means the 90 to bisect means cut in half. Okay. Remember this, and that is very bi means two, means you can put it divide this into two sides. Okay. Cut in half. So here let's start from the first basic thing. So okay, that is PQ is the line segment. You have a PQ. Okay. So draw onto a PQ the midpoint. So first what we need to do, we just need to find a middle. If this one is 8, so half of this will be 4. So you need to draw the half of this, means open the compass of the radius. Means radius means the half is more than half the length of the line of the PQ. The place of the compass point will be and at the point of the line, and draw a large arc. Keep the radius of the same. Place a compass point on the other end of the line and draw the arc. So first what we need to do, here is the midpoint. You know that once you draw a line, okay, so with the help of this you can easily find the midpoint. Once these 2 points are attached, you can draw a same line here, so you will get your midpoint. Okay, now after this you can hold the edges, means these edges you can hold it, okay, and draw a straight line, or you will get your perpendicular bisector. That is your perpendicular bisector. So perpendicular bisector will be the B point. Okay, the A point is first we need to find the A point. So as I told you before, this chapter is just for your understanding. Actually, uh, we just select the meaning, the definition that will come in your exam, but mostly these things will not come. Okay, because this we must need your exams on a paper, then that is very important at that time. Okay, now let's talk about follow these instructions to draw the perpendicular bisector of a line AB. Same like this, you can draw a line segment 8 centimeter. Give him A and B from these 2 points. Make sure you allow 8 centimeter of the space above and below the line of the drawn. Means if 8 centimeter is, so you draw the compass 6 centimeter and draw first line like this, another line like this. So with the help of this, you can easily find. Okay, so your midpoint. Open your compass of the radius is more than the half. More than the half, like if you're open, like here he says 6 centimeter, you can open. So, or if you put 6 centimeter here, the other side must be equal to 6. Put the compass on the point at the end of the mark A and draw an arc. So in the put the compass point on the end of the line that is mark B. So you just mark B. Draw the arc that across each of the two places. Join the point at the two arc. Make sure that you draw a straight line. So that will be your center of the line. Okay. So for this one, I will let me show you the answer as well in the last, because we already discussed this in the class. So these are the basic thing that we will need to draw here. Let me show you the simple diagram. First thing, you will draw A to B, and there is a line. Once you draw like this and other you will draw like this. Okay, so this will be A and this will be B. So here is the middle point. Okay, so This is the midpoint. So if this will be 8 centimeters, so you must open at least half will be 4, so you must open more than half, either 5. Okay, if you put from first, you put from here, so you will draw first line here, if it's 5 here, and the same thing you will do it with from here, so other will draw here, and then at then you will connect these two lines. Okay, so you will get your answer. As it is same, you will solve the rest of the examples. Okay, so here let's see this one, the last one. A builder by a rectangle plot landed the sketch of abcd. Here is the abcd. Using a ruler and protractor, draw an accurate copy of the plot of the land. Use the scale 1 centimeter represent 10 meter. Okay, so if we divide this, so we will get our answer, that is equal to 10 centimeter line. Okay, because 1 centimeter show 10 meter, so it's 100 meters, so it's mean this will be, we just divide with what we call it, divided by 10. So you will get your answer. So let's talk about the other one. Okay, so this one will be 8. So here is 8 centimeter and this one is 10 centimeter. So using the compass and straight line edges on these diagram, find the midpoint of the AB. This one AB, the midpoint will be sorry 5 here, and this one will be 4. Now next one will be, the builder is going to put a fence in the midpoint of the AB, and to midpoint of, I think, BC. Let me move this one. Okay, midpoint of AB to the midpoint of BC. Okay, so draw the fence on your diagram. Means here is, he will draw a fence. Fence means a barrier from the midpoint of this one and the midpoint of this one. So with the help of this, he just easily put it here. So midpoint of first one will be here. Okay, and the other one will be here. Okay, so he will draw their fences there from midpoint of AB to the midpoint of BC. Draw the fence on your diagram. So we need to draw the fence on that diagram. Let me show you their answers as well. Just give me a minute. Here we have their answers. Just a minute. Just for a minute. Okay, let me show you their answers. Here is its answer. You can see that is the answer of 12.1. Okay, so but here this is the answer of 12.2. Means from here EB, that is the midpoint, and here is BC, that is the midpoint. So you will draw a fence directly from here to here. So that is the fence. So with the help of this, you need to draw a diagram like that, and you will get your answer. Okay, question 1 and 2 you need to, for and question 3 as well, you need to do it yourself, as we will do it in the class. So I hope you understand this. So if you have any question regarding this, so you can ask me in the class as well. Okay, so thank you, take care, goodbye, see you in the next class.